explain you the M72 system. This is the new developed system. It's in the service for 8 years already. And the system has an anti-tank warhead and also an anti-structure. So for the anti-tank, the weight of the system is 3.4 kilograms, and for the anti-structure, 3.7. So I'm going to show you how it works. So this is the new feature where you take off the sling, we call it. You extend the launcher and open the sights. So you actually hold the sight, adjust to the range you want to, and you aim through the rear sight and the front sight. So, and this is the arming device. So you arm them by pushing forward, and then you aim, and then you shoot your target. So the rocket has different purpose. We have an anti-tank warhead, which means it can hit the target and penetrate up to 450 armor. The fuse has a dew-safe fuse, which according to the new standard. For the anti-structure warhead, this is made of carbon fiber, so you don't make any fragmentation, but it can breach the wall, but also enter inside the building and actually destroy it. For the launcher of the anti-structure round, you have an option to select either short or long delay. Short delay if you want to breach and make an entrance hole. Long delay if you want the rocket to go inside and destroy the building. For this system, we have NATO customer in Europe, but also we have sales of this product to Asia, like Malaysia, Thailand. That is the two countries at the moment we have as customer.
This November we're introducing a new product, which is our TICAM 1000B. This is a medium-range multifunction thermal imaging system with a capability of detecting targets up to 5 kilometers. It has a high-performance thermal imaging lens. It has a laser rangefinder, a GPS, digital magnetic compass, digital video recording, and integration and connection to battle management systems and communication systems. It's lightweight, under 2 kilograms, man-portable, and is designed for forward observation platforms, for man-portable systems, and for artillery support. It's fully protected against water, ingress of the environment, humidity. It's shockproof and drop tested. We've had a lot of interest in this and already had sales of units into Asia, and we're looking at this exhibition here to promote the product more widely within Thailand and Asia in general. We have had significant interest from the Thai Army and also from Malaysia, Singapore, Taiwan and Korea. This product is called Fuser. It's a fusion of a thermal imaging camera, which is here. Very small, compact device designed and manufactured by our company, and it's fused together with an image intensifier. This is a very small, fourth generation image intensifier, very high sensitivity and performance, and with a single eyepiece, operating for 6 hours from 2 AA batteries, and it is both an image intensifier and also a thermal imager with fusion between the two modalities. The purpose of this product is to carry the soldier for situational awareness between low light conditions and nighttime conditions in dark, jungle or inside building applications.
Our company is ESAT Radars. ESAT is a member of the Goodwin Group, which is a 100-year-old company. ESAT itself has been around since the early 80s. We started to make antennas, primary radar antennas, and for military and for civil aviation. We were very successful at that, and now ESAT just 2 years ago bought a radar company, and now we can do the whole radar chain from the antenna through to the displays. That radar system is very modern. The electronics is very compact. That then gave us the opportunity to make it portable, transportable. So now we have a system in a container, a full S-band 120 nautical mile radar plus a long-range secondary radar which can be transported to site and brought operational in 1 hour. This is unique. The other unique feature is the antenna of the reflecting antenna of the primary radar is made of carbon fiber using nanotechnology. It's very light, very strong, and we can have either an air traffic center inside the container, or we can use it as a forward radar base and send the signal via satellite link back to the air control center. We are currently building it for Raytheon and for Lockheed Martin for the Department of Defense in a number of quite large quantities.
My name is David Hines. I'm Vice President for Strategic Accounts in Asia. We've developed a brand new towed sonar array system. Traditionally, sonar arrays have been in the range of sort of 80 to 90 millimeters in diameter. Our new crate array, named after the sea crate snake, is actually 16 millimeters in diameter. This is extremely low power, low weight. In fact, a 50-meter array only weighs just 10 kilograms, so it can be carried around in a pelly case. The system itself is manufactured in 50-meter lengths, and typically an array would be about 150 meters with up to 400 meters of tow cable. All of this with a winch and a package fits into a unit about 1.5 meters by 1 meter. It can be easily fitted on the back of a vessel and deployed, giving smaller vessels now the opportunity to have an anti-submarine warfare capability. So we also took this one step further now to have a modular system, what we call crate defense system, which consists of a basic passive towed array, and to that we add an element which allows us to have an active source to ping the target. So we then have a third feature which allows us to take the data from the crate array and feed that into our decoy system to launch decoys onto our target. The fourth element is then to take the same data and feed that through into our torpedo launching system. So a surface launched lightweight torpedo that can be launched and prosecute the target from there. The array itself actually has other applications. In the fixed vertical mode, we can anchor it to the seabed and use it to detect vessels coming in and out of harbours and ports. Again, there's a lot of interest in the Southeast Asia region for the ability to detect tsunamis and earthquakes using the array itself.
First of all, we introduced our new Tavor in a new platform in a 762 by 51 caliber. We introduced this first of all because the market has a demand for this such of caliber. It's a more lethal, more accurate caliber that the soldiers can use around the world. Basically, bullpup configuration rifles are rifles that all the system, trigger system and magazine is located behind the shooter's hand. So my magazine is up here and I have a very long barrel inside relatively short body. So I don't lose any length and I don't need to reach further, and the weight of my rifle is at the back. So I can manage the rifle more easily. First of all, as I said, it's based on the 5.56 platform, the very reliable and battle-proven platform. But we made some changes. First of all, it's a short-throw gas piston system. We have 4 different gas positions for different kinds of operation need. Normal use, extreme condition use, silencer operation, and even we added the first bolt action simulation of the rifle. By what I mean, when you shoot a round, the system will not come back, so you charge the weapon after every round. This is a special design for a very unique, needed silent operation. Secondly, we have made it the Tavor 7 ambidextrous by design. So we have all the mag release, last round catch, safety from both sides. And for left-handed shooters, the changing of the charging handle and the bolt is very easy. I'll demonstrate it quickly for you. So now the weapon is modified for left-handed shooter, as you can see. I have the ejection port to the left and the charging handle to the right. So for change, first of all, I start with the extraction port. I just close the cover, ejection cover, open it to the other side, lock it in place. For my charging handle, I lock it with our charging handle notch, stop it on the last round catch, and release it. With no special tools, nothing you need to bring with you, only your ammo or maybe some stick from the ground. I just bend it and release the charging handle and replace it to my desired side. For the bolt, it's very easy. I don't need any special parts, not left-handed bolt. I just take out the system and rotate the bolt and change the position. You have here the marking for left to right. The Masada pistol is our new Striker fired line series of pistols. It's a full-size 4.2-inch barrel, 17-round capacity magazine, and fully ambidextrous by design pistols. So we have the mag release, the slide catch on both sides of the slide. We have several advantages of the pistols. First of all, the ergonomic and the interchangeability of the gun. We have 3 types of back straps you can change from small to large sizes. We have some interesting safety features. So as you can see, all the parts are very easy to clean, to take out. Secondly, we have one piece of chassis inside the pistol that the serial number is located on the chassis itself. So, for example, if you want to change the body, you want to change the color, change something broke, you don't need to buy a new pistol because the serial number is on the chassis. You just take it out, place it in the new gun, and your new pistol, and you're ready to go. We have 2 versions for this pistol. So first of all, you can get it like this without a manual safety, and of course you can get it with a manual safety as well.